this is the last one. This is measuring with links. This is in tray 5. You'll need your box. Alright. One paper out. Put your name on it. Where it says name. And it says measurements. You can measure each of these things with the links. And then write your answer next to it. Alright, on number 1, what is that, class? You're right, it's a pencil. So what I'm going to do, get some links. You don't need all of them, there's enough. There should be one for each of you. That one shouldn't be there, let me take it off. Alright, so one for each of you to work with. So I only need one, so I'm going to put the other 2 back. So, let's see how many links long my pencil is. So I'm going to start at the together. I'm going to take it all the way to the end. And let's say it goes all the way to the blue one, so then I'm going to count the links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5. My pencil is 5 links long. Alright, the next one is a hand. You have 2 of them. Pick one. This is mine, and this is your longest finger. So I'm going to take it from the longest finger, and it's kind of hard, and go to the end of my hand. And let's see, that looks like my pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! My pencil and my hand are the same length. Just about. Almost the same. Alright, the next one is your shoe. I've got one of those. So, this is how you measure your shoe. Take your shoe and take it from the toe to the heel. And if it ends up in the middle, go ahead and go to the end. And count those links. Mine's probably a lot longer than yours. My feet are bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me, 8. I'm going to write 8 in there. Now, if yours says 8 links long, I'm going to measure them because there's no way yours is going to be long as mine. All right. Go to the back page, the back side. Number 4, chair. So take your links and measure how tall your chair is. Alright, measure it from the back to the floor, the tallest part of the chair, all the way down to the floor. Okay, got that. Now I'm going to count my links. Hold my finger there so I know where to count from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Write that number down before you forget. 17. Now, see how I didn't count from here to there? Because then I'll forget where it was. So always start from where you stopped and count to the end. Alright, number 5, my writing book. Now, you're going to borrow the person's writing book of the chair you're sitting in. Do it very carefully. Measure from one end to the other. If you want to measure it this way, you can. Yeah. Or you can measure it this way. I think I'm going to measure it this way. Okay. My finger goes right there, so I'm going to count from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And write it down. Okay. Then you're going to put that back, and it says a folder. You're going to borrow the folder of the person chair you're sitting at. And you can open it up and measure it that way. all the way down to the bottom. Okay, that many links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, write your number down. Now your number is not going to be the same as mine because you might measure it different. But I will be asking. Put their book back in their folder very carefully. Put it back in their bag the way you found it. And then it'll be fine. Alright, turn the other side. Right now, it says first crayon, second crayon, third crayon. So I'm going to find one crayon, two, let's say 3. Alright, my first crayon, how many links long do you think that one is? I think that one is about 1 link long. I'm going to say 1. Alright, that was my first one. And you know what? I'm going to lay it on there. And really, I only have half of it. So, I'm going to mark it, the part I have, and I'm going to color that part. That's the only part of the crayon I have. Now, I know it's the same size as this crayon, but that's not going to show me about the next one. So, only color the part you have. Alright, the second one, got this much of a crayon. So, I'm going to measure it. Got there. 1, 2. Alright, so I'm going to write 2, and I'm going to color. Now, this one doesn't have the tip. So, I'm going to color it so that the tip is gone. Okay. Now, on the third one, let's see. 1, 2, almost 3. So I'm going to write 3. Now, this one has the whole thing, so that's what I'm going to color. Now, one more thing to do. It says color the crayon that is the shortest. Which one do you think? That's the one I thought too. I thought number 1. And look, it has 2 less than 3 and 1 less than 2. So, that is how you do measuring. If you still have time, it's not time to clean up, you can measure anything else that come from your box. Maybe your scissors, draw a picture of your scissors. Tell me how many links long it is. Maybe a marker, maybe your glue, whatever else you've got. All right, thank you.